Hey everybody, in this video, we're going to learn about derivatives of natural log functions. The big question is, what is d dx of ln x? In order to solve this, let's first convert y equals ln x into its exponential form. Remember that the natural log has a base of e, so y equals ln x is the same thing as e to the y equals x. Now we'll take the derivative of both sides of the equation. The derivative of e to the y is e to the y times dy dx. We have to apply the chain rule here since y is a function. On the right side of the equation, the derivative of x is just 1. Now we can solve for dy dx by dividing both sides by e to the y. So dy dx equals 1 over e to the y. But remember, e to the y equals x, so our derivative is just 1 over x. And that's what we were looking for. The derivative of the natural log of x is just 1 over x. We can also expand on this idea if we have an inner function, which we'll call u. The derivative of ln u would be 1 over u times du dx by the chain rule. Let's look at some examples. Suppose y equals ln of x squared plus 2x plus 1, and we want to find the derivative. Well, we can see here we have an inner function. Let's let u equal x squared plus 2x plus 1. We know that y prime equals 1 over u times du dx. That gives us 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 1 times the quantity of 2x plus 2, since that's the derivative of u. Then we can simplify by factoring the numerator and denominator and canceling out an x plus 1. That leaves us with y prime equals 2 over x plus 1. Here's another example. Suppose y equals ln of sine x. The derivative is 1 over sine x times the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. That means y prime equals cosine x over sine x, which is equivalent to cotangent of x. What if we have y equals ln ax, where a is any constant? Well, the derivative, y prime, is 1 over ax times the derivative of ax, which is just a. That leaves us with 1 over x. But that's the same thing as the derivative of ln x. This is a curious property of natural log functions. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. But the derivative of ln ax is also 1 over x. How cool is that? So in summary, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. The derivative of ln u is 1 over u times du dx by the chain rule. These are two properties that you want to commit to memory. And that's how you rock calculus!